That's why he was in the Knight of Swords energy with you. He would come in and start arguments with you, to make you feel uncomfortable even being around him, to push you away because he wanted to love you and he wanted to love somebody else too. He loved his kids, you know what I'm saying? And he loved his freedom. And he just didn't want to make it official with you, collective. He didn't want to do that. So he moved on with his life because he wanted to be happy, or he wanted to make his kids happy. And so he got involved with the other woman or the other man who he had love for, but he was in love with